I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer your balance to a new SIM on Movistar in Spain, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Insert the new SIM. Make sure your new SIM is properly inserted into your phone. This is crucial for the transfer process to work. Step 2. Access the Movistar app. Open the Movistar app on your device. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Step 3. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Navigate to balance transfer. Once logged in, find the option for balance transfer in the menu. This is usually located under the Account with Services section. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Follow the prompts to confirm the transfer of your balance to the new SIM. You may receive a confirmation message once it's complete. Just a heads up, if you don't see the balance transfer option, you might need to update your app or check if your account is eligible. I hope this helps you get your balance transferred smoothly.